This is where the magic happens. It's gonna taste just like that oatmeal cream pie you grew up eating and I grew up eating. I am making brown sugar oatmeal cream pies. So I've added 1.5 sticks of unsalted room temp butter. Now I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, dark brown sugar. I want more of that molasses flavor. And now I'm just creaming my butter and my sugar together. Okay, now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. I'm gonna beat this together until it's combined. So that looks nice and mixed. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. All right, now I'm going to blitz together some oatmeal and my toasted coconut. So I'm gonna use 2 cups of quick cooking oats and 1/2 cup of toasted coconut. Gonna blitz this together. All right, I'm gonna add my oats and toasted coconuts to this bowl. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, that's my leavener, that's gonna help give it a little rise, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, that's the spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. That's gonna give it a beautiful little kick. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Grab my whisk, give it a mix. All right, now I'm gonna add my dry to my wet. I'm gonna add it a little bit at a time. 1/2 of it, mix it, and then add the other 1/2. As soon as the cinnamon hit that butter and sugar, ooh, it already smells like an oatmeal cookie. I'm gonna add the rest. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna grab 2 baking sheets I have back here. All right, so this is my last scoop. I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm gonna bake this for about 13 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. I'm gonna let that bake, and now I'm gonna make my cream filling. So in this bowl, I am going to beat 1 cup, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and 2 containers of marshmallow cream. This is going to be a sweet and creamy, a little salty filling. It's gonna taste just like that oatmeal cream pie you grew up eating and I grew up eating. Now I'm gonna beat together my butter and my marshmallow cream. All right, so that's nice and fluffy. Now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and this is where the magic happens, butter extract. It almost smells like candy corn, but it also reminds me of that butter smell when you have like that maple syrup. And now I'm gonna add 2 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm gonna mix this and I'm gonna taste it and see if I need to add any more sugar. Okay, so my marshmallow cream is done. I got some stiff peaks in there, and I don't want it too runny because I don't want to put that cream in the center of my sandwich and bite into it and just spills all over the place. All right, let me see how this tastes. It looks good. There's that butter. You know what? What's gonna do the final trick? A pinch of salt. That's just gonna enhance that sweet flavor in there. It's gonna bring out some of that vanilla. Okay, let me try it now. I'm actually gonna taste the beater. Oh yeah, that did it. Guys, when you bake or when you make sweets, don't be afraid to use salt. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side and grab my cookies. Oh man. Look, see how flat and beautiful and golden brown around the edges they got? Oh, wow. I'm gonna let these cool, and after they cool, I'm gonna build my sandwiches. Now I'm finishing up my oatmeal cream pies and just adding my cream filling. Close it up, sandwich it together. Look how cute that is. And I'm pretty sure you guys wanna know how it tastes. Oh my gosh.